counting of votes from an EVM. For counting, the CU alone is given to the counting supervisor's table. Here, the CU alone is required for computing the results. The balloting unit is not required for the counting. Another interesting thing that we must know is, when the balloting unit is connected to the control unit, then and only then we can delete the results. So the clear button becomes effective only when the balloting unit is connected. So it is an extra precaution for the results to remain intact in the CU till the stipulated period of time. So we do not bring the BU to the counting table at all. So only the CU is required for the computing of results. This is an extra precaution for the results to be intact in the CU. Once the CU is given to the counting supervisor's table, there are a few things that are mandatorily to be done by this counting supervisor. First and foremost, the CU that is provided to the particular table, the counting supervisor must check and ascertain from the box, the address tag on the box, that it is the allotted CU for the particular counting table. First, show to the agents that the outer seals are okay. Remove the CU from the box and show to them that the candidate set section and the result section address tag is intact and it carries the signature of the candidate's agents in the polling station. Once you demonstrate this, subsequently, next what is to be demonstrated is the strip seal that is going across the body of the CU, the ABCD slip. Show the number, then remove it. Subsequently, cut and remove the outer window's address tag. Then you can find the green paper seal. Check the green paper seal number and show it to the agents and see that the green paper seal is intact. If it is tampered, immediately it must be informed to the returning officer. Show the inner special tag is intact. That need not be opened. The inner lid should not be opened during counting. Only the outer lid must be opened. Once the outer lid has been opened and the green paper seal the number has been matched, subsequently the two windows found on the inner door, the upper window is the result section. That must be pierced by the finger and that green paper seal will tear and the finger will reach the lower end of that inner door, that is the result section. And once the result section is pressed, the results will start showing. Always when you get the machine, you can press the total button, because the total button will tell you the total number of votes in the machine and you can tally it with the 17C. If on pressing the total button the message is invalid, then you have to bring it to the noticer RO. Subsequently, press the result section and then the display will start appearing on the display. It will come as computing of results, then the poll date of the election, starting time of the election, end time of the election, all will be displayed. Subsequently, the serial number also will be displayed. Show it to the agents. Then in sequence the results will come. First the candidates number will come. Here we have got only 7 candidates including Nota. Then the total number of votes polled, check it with the 17C. Subsequently, the votes earned by each of the candidate in sequential order as serial 1, serial 2, serial 3, etc. including Nota will come, and Nota will be the last serial number. Write down the votes secured by each individual candidate. So when you press the total and if the result, the display is shown as invalid, immediately show it to the RO for further step in this regard. So when the invalid button is shown, please show it to the RO. Once the results have all been taken, show it once more to the candidate's agents. Once they are satisfied, then the results is over. Then open the candidate set section. The power pack battery will be inside that. Remove the battery, again seal it, put the CU off and hand it over back to the RO after applying the address tags.